From this to this! In this video we are going to make a cell phone charger holder. It's time for another freebie of the month. You can download the free pattern in the Semi Facebook group and on my website. The links are down below in the video description. And now, let's get started. The materials are listed here, but you can also look at them again in the PDF file when you download it. I'm starting by decorating the front pocket of the charger holder, and I'm using Farbmix ribbons and broderie anglaise. So whatever you like to do and decorate your front pocket, you can use buttons, you can use iron-ons, whatever you choose to make your phone charger holder as pretty as possible. Next, I iron the heavy interfacing to the back of one front pocket and one back panel piece. Then I baste the batting pieces onto the interfacing I just attached. Now I iron the medium interfacing to the back of the handle piece. I then fold the handle piece in half and press it. I open it up again and fold the outer edges onto the middle fold. And fold it again. I'm using 2 sewing clips to pin the handle in place. And I'm also ironing it so it stays in place, but because it doesn't, I'm using the clips to pin them in place. Next, I sew along the long edges with a wider stitch. I then put the other front pocket piece right sides together onto the decorated front pocket piece and sew them together along the top edge. Then I turn it inside out and press it. Now I pin the pocket to the back panel piece with the interfacing and batting attached to the left side. Then I baste the pocket to the back panel piece. Next I fold the handle, pin it to the top edge of the back panel piece and baste it into place. Now it's time to put the other back panel piece right sides together on top and sew all the way around except for one turning hole at the bottom edge, about 1.5 to 2 inches wide. Then I clip the fabric at the corners close to the seam. And turn the fabric inside out. This is a little bit fiddly because everything is so stiffened up from the interfacing and the batting. But we want a cell phone charger holder that lasts for a little while, that's why we need it a little bit sturdy. And I close the turning hole by hand. And then we're done. Doesn't it look pretty? I used my favorite fabrics as usual. I'm running out of that one fabric and I'm really sad about it, but here we are. No more stepping on your phone when it lies on the ground. You can put your phone inside that pretty holder now. And doesn't it look lovely? I really like it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you're going to make many of these for your friends and family as little presents and gifts. I don't know. And I'd also love to see your creations in the Sami Facebook group. The link is down below in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful to you. Please give me a thumbs up, it really helps me out. Subscribe for more videos, and if you want to support me, head on over to my website and have a look at my patterns. The link for the website is down below in the video description. I'm really grateful to your support. I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!